Good day to you children. Today we are going to read and understand lesson 6, My Neighborhood. Now there is a small warm up. Identify these places and complete the words under them. Now where we go when we have to study? So we go to school. S-C-H-O-O-L, school. Now where we have to go when we have to buy the groceries? So we go to market. M-A-R-K-E-T, market. Now where we go when we have to play? So we go to park. P-A-R-K, park. Now where we go when we have to study from the books? So we go to library. Now turn the page. Let us visit the places in our neighborhood. So the area around our homes is our neighborhood. Now what is neighborhood? The area around our home is our neighborhood. There are many people and places in our neighborhood. So children, where we are living, there are many people, there are many places. Okay, so the first one is school. Now what is the name of our school? Our school name is Shrimati L.B. Joshi English High School and Junior College, Kalher. So children go to school in the neighborhood. So your school is in your neighborhood. So when you have to study, you come to school. We learn many new things and subjects at school. So when you are coming to school, you learn so many things, so many subjects, so many new topics. Now next one is market. Okay, can you see the shop? Shopkeepers are there. There are many shops in a market. So when you are going out with your mother, with your father in the market, you can see there are so many shops. We buy fruits, vegetables and groceries at the market. So why we go to market? Because when we need groceries, fruits, vegetables, so we go to market. Now next one is hospital. There can be hospitals in the neighborhood. So children, even you might be having hospitals in your neighborhood. There are doctors and nurses in a hospital. So who take care of us when we are not well? So doctors are there for our treatment and nurses are there. They look after sick people. Okay, so they look after sick people. We can also buy medicines from there. So children, when you are going to hospital, okay, doctor gives you the prescription. So that medicines you can buy from there also. Now post office. We buy envelopes, stamps and postcard at the post office. What is this? This is a post office. This is a post box. Okay. We can send letters by dropping them in a post box. So when you have to send a letter, you have to drop the letter in this post box. Now who delivers the letter? The postman delivers letters to us. Next one is police station. Now you can see a policeman is there. So this is a police station. The police station is the office of the police. Police station is the office of the police. See how your father is having office? In the same way, the police station is the office of the police. The police help in keeping us and our neighborhood safe. So who takes care of our safety? Policemen. Now places of worship. Okay, people go to pray at places of worship in the neighborhood. There may be temples, churches, mosques, gurudwaras, etc. in the neighborhood. So children, even you go to temple to pray. Okay, Christians go to church. Okay, Muslims go to mosque and Sikhs go to gurdwara. Be a good neighbor. Children, you should always be a good neighbor. You should always help your neighbors. Many people live in our neighborhood. Now you can see the picture. See, so many neighbors are there. We invite our neighbors during celebration or during any festival. There are our neighbors. We should be polite to them. You should always be polite to them. You should not shout on them. You should not shout at them. So we should always be polite to them. We must not make noise or disturb our neighbors. We should never make noise and disturb our neighbors. We must help our neighbors. We should always keep our neighborhood clean. Children, see how you keep your house clean. In the same way, you should keep your neighborhood also clean. Okay. Now wrap up. Important places in the neighborhood. Which are the important places? School, market, places of worship, hospital, post office and police station. Now turn the page. Now we are going to start with evaluate. Okay. A. Where would you go for the following? Draw lines to match correctly. So for this what we are going to do? We are going to take the scale. To buy stamp. So where you will go to buy the stamp? You will go to post office. Now to buy vegetables. When you want to buy vegetables, you will go to market. To see the doctor, so you will go to hospital. To study, so you will go to school. To play, so you will go to park. Now B. Strike out the odd one in each group. Parcel, nurse, letter, postcard. Children, parcel, letter and postcard relates to post office. So we are going to strike out the word nurse. Temple, church, mosque, market. So temple, church, mosque are the places of worship. So we are going to strike out the word market. Third, student, police, teacher, school. Okay. So student, teacher and school relates to school. So we are going to strike out the word police. Thief, jail, police, temple. So police, jail, thief relates to police station. So we are going to cross out the word temple. Now tick the correct sentence and cross the sentence that are not correct. We must help our neighbors. Yes. We can buy stamps at the post office. Yes. The nurse takes care of the garden. No. The gardener takes care of the garden. We must keep our neighborhood clean. Yes. Where would you buy envelopes and stamps from? From the post office. What do children learn at school? So, subjects. Where would you buy groceries from? From the market. Now E. Answer in one sentence. This I am going to give you in your notebook. Now get busy. So F. Get busy. Find out who these people are. Take help from the words given in the box. Who is he? He is a doctor. Who is he? He is a policeman. Who is he? He is a teacher. Who is he? He is a postman. Who is he? He is a tailor. Now things to do. What you have to do? You have to mention the list out the important places in your neighborhood. Write the telephone numbers. Okay, which are the important places in your neighborhood? You have to mention here, and you have to note down the phone number. Like you have to note down the medical shop's phone number, and then grocery shop is given, so you have to mention your grocery shop's phone number. Then which are the other important places? So you can mention over here. Okay. So I hope you have understood the lesson as well as the matter. Thank you so much, children.